I'm going to read a comment I received today, and full disclosure, I receive a comment like this every single day. And my intent was to leave a video on this topic in the next 2 or 3 days, but this individual, they did a great job of summarizing their experience, and I think this can apply to you, okay? And given that less than 2% of the people comment, the real impact that you're going to hear, the number of people impacted, could easily be 10x this. So 10 people a day, think about that. This can be your story. Read this like this is your story. Or listen to this, sorry. Joe, before watching your channel, I only knew what I needed for retirement from my own spreadsheets and general online sources, some wildly different from each other. My fear was not having enough money in retirement, especially with all the unknowns. Notice the word fear. These past 2 years, I was on track to retire at 63 from my math. Then I watched some of your videos and got new retirement. I've been working on it for less than a month, and guess what? I have a better working grasp of my expenses. This was a huge miss from before, my spreadsheets. And I've moved the dial back 2 years to 61. All the Monte Carlos, the what ifs, the plan comparisons, and the stress testing, I dialed it back 2 years. Meaning that he's retiring 2 years earlier. And the best part, I'm feeling more confident than I ever did. The confidence to retire is a very real thing. You talk about confidence to spend in retirement. Thank you for turning on the light for me and making my future less rocky and uncertain. Folks, this is a powerful story, and this can be your story. This is one of the main purposes of my channel, is I have this information about what it takes to retire early. And I talk to so many people that are using their spreadsheets. There's fear, there's unknowns. Maybe it's, deep down fear that maybe my analysis isn't quite right. And when you go to a comprehensive software package like New Retirement, that your confidence greatly increases. This is a powerful story and can be your story. From fear to confidence, from competence to freedom. What is 2 years of freedom worth? Use my link below, the first one, for 2 free weeks. Change your life. If you want to see this comment, gosh, I can't remember which video. I think it was on just the video I made yesterday. That comment is in there. So look at my video that I made yesterday, released, and take a look at it. You'll see this comment. I'm not making this up. I get one of these a day. Most of them are much shorter. I do read all the comments. And if you do leave a comment, you'll notice that some of them I just hit like, I give the thumbs up to. A lot of them, maybe 30% of them, I'll give a 1 or 2 word response to. And maybe 5% of them, I'll leave a sentence or two. Folks, I do read them all, but it's overwhelming. I get several hundred comments a day. I can't respond to every one of them and have a retirement life, okay? So this can be you, folks. This can be you. Hit the link below. 2 free weeks. It's Joe out.